Hello, my friends. Welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. We are going to draw Chilli, mom of Bluey. At first, I draw her eyes. I draw her mouth. Let's finish her eyes. I draw her nose. I draw her eyebrow. I draw a shape of her head. I draw her body. I draw her arm. I draw her patches around. Let's finish her arm. I draw her legs. I draw her tail. I draw her ears. From Bluey we love when you're near. White. Light yellow. Oh, Chilli, Mom, you make the world so bright. With your kindness and your hug so tight. Dancing through the day with your endless cheer. Chilli, Mom, from Bluey we love when you're near. Brown.
Chilli, Mom's a whirlwind buzz with a laugh that makes us fuzz. Morning pancakes with a hug, dancing around our little rug. She's our mom, the coolest yet. In our hearts she's firmly set. Every day's an awesome game. Life with Mom's never the same.
Light orange.
Bluey, bingo, running wild. Chilli, Mom's their favorite child. Parks and picnics with her smile makes each playtime super worthwhile. Catch her flying on the slide, thrilling joy she cannot hide. Every jump a squeal of glee. Chilli, Mom, just let it be. She's our mom, the coolest yet. In our hearts she's firmly set. Every day's an awesome game. Life with Mom's never the same. Catch her flying on the slide.
Light yellow.
She cannot hide. Every jump a squeal of glee.
White.
Chilli, Mom, just let it be. She's our mom, the coolest yet. In our hearts she's firmly set. Every day's an awesome game.
Thank
Life
you
with
for
Mom's
watching.
never the same. Storytelling, hugs at night. Dreams with Mom just feel so right. Stars and whispers in the dark. Love for her ignites a spark.